Hey, it's vietfrank, and today I got the Legend of Zelda Sprint Tracks. So, right here. And I'm going to go unbox it right now. If you're wondering, here's the inside of the cover. It's like a normal. And here's the book. And here what the game looked like. This only cost $39 at Walmart, and it's really fun. And if you want to, and I can show you some of the graphics and stuff. Really fun. You should totally buy it. The story is just like Zelda, the princess, is a princess, and one of her servant got he's evil, so she got pwned, so she turned into a spirit now, and you could go out and buy weapons like shields, and yeah, really fun. You should buy it. So, peace.
Da 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 da.